mamoko mantiere kod nyithindo matindo oyanga ni kale midhiero mar paro mar rocho ngimagi kod mag familia magi. Wechegi kelo kod lweny mag udi kod tiyo gia matek kod yedhe ma oko puodhi moyange chenro mar chwalo thieth ne mine kod nyithindo e boma ma Naivasha. Ngima matek, paro e ting' mar familia kanyakla kod weche marocho ratich mine kod nyiri mapek oyang ni hinyo ngimagi mar paro.
8% of the mothers they're depressed. They feel it was a wrong decision. They wonder why they are going through all this. Matters of abusive marriages, not just having enough money to go to the clinic, I think, and even diet, yeah? Just eating the right food.
Jolony wacho ni thoth ne midhiero mar paro matut biro tok nyuol e kinde ma gidhodho nyithindo.
In 2 out of 10 we've received like 2 mothers who have suffered mental health issues in puerperium, that is breastfeeding and postpartum.
Kamano bende, weche mag tiyo marach kod yedhe oyang ni en gima hinyo ngimagi.
Drug abuse that we have seen is, when mothers are using medications just out of buying them from the pharmacy. We don't recommend. We recommend that any mother who is unwell or feels like they need to use a medication need to be prescribed by a doctor.
Kumae, jokanye sekta mar thieth manobago thieth manono ne mine oyango chenro mopogore mar konyo minegi koting'o loso grube mag jiwore e gwenge ma Naivasha.
What we have done is to assign them to support groups headed by our psychologist, our resident psychologist, and also the counselor. We've also partnered them with the mother mentors who are able to take them through the journey, and especially for first-time moms. I think they need more support from mothers who've gone through the same journeys.
Minegi kod familia magi ojiw mondo tikanyakla e rito ngimagi kod mag nyithindgi.
So the key issues that the mothers need to learn is diet, nutrition. Today we really had a good gynecologist who talked to them and encouraged them. They also need exercises, you know, when you're pregnant, you just don't sit.
Moko kwa mine manochopo e chendo no onyiso mor margi kokalo puonj kod jip magiyudo.
I've been supported so much because the first time I went there, I was not in a good condition as a mother, yeah, older mother, yeah. So they supported us, wametupatia these are vaccinations.
At least they have been there to work with us, they have been there to hold our hands, they have been there to encourage us and to give us the things that you're supposed to do and the things that you're supposed to avoid.
Ewi wuoth marito nyathi, okwa mondo kik wene mine kende tingni ka idwaro obed gi monywakne kod familia kanyakla kod anyuola mangima e yore mopogore mondo gol ting ne miyo kende.
It's the society to carry them up. So when facilities like this come to take care of the mothers, I think we need everyone, their husbands and any stakeholder around. Please come and work with the mothers because they really need this support. Support since you're pregnant until now your child is able to grow and move by their own feet.